उसने मुझे भला बुरा कहा। He said run me down. He said run me down. तुम पर काबू पाना आसान नहीं है। It is not easy to get over you. It is not easy to get over you. ट्रक दीवार से टकरा गया। The truck went into the wall. The truck went into the wall. तुम मुझसे टकरा जाओगे। You will go into me. You will go into me. मैं उसकी योजना को भाप गया। I saw through his plan. I saw through his plan. राम और श्याम के चेहरे मिलते जुलते हैं। Face of Ram and Syam are identical. Face of Ram and Syam are identical. तुम ही घर में सब कुछ नहीं हो। You are not all and all in the house. You are not all and all in the house. उसका लड़का ही घर में सब कुछ है। His son is all and all in the house. His son is all and all in the house. तुम मुझसे बस थोड़ी दूर पर खड़े हो। You are standing from me at a stand's throw. You are standing from me at a stand's throw. वह अपने पापा की नजरों में बहुत अच्छा है। He is a good book at his father. He is a good book at his father. वह कभी कभी यहाँ आता है। He comes here once in a moon. He comes here once in a moon. काफी हद तक तुम सही बोल रहे हो। You are speaking right to a great extent. You are speaking right to a great extent. वह पक्के तौर पर कुछ नहीं कहता। He does not say hard and fast anything. He does not say hard and fast anything. मैं एकदम से कुछ नहीं कह सकता। I cannot say anything offhand. I cannot say anything offhand. यह एक दिखावा है। This is an eye wash. This is an eye wash. एक तरह से तुम मेरे भाई हो। In a way you are my brother. In a way you are my brother. अगर हो सके तो कल आ जाना। If possible, you must meet me tomorrow. If possible, you must meet me tomorrow. अभी घर जाना बाकी है। There is left to be gone home now. There is left to be gone home now. अभी उसे बताना रह गया है। There is remain to be told her now. There is remain to be told her now. वह अपना काम बुरे ढंग से करता है। He does his work with a rough hand. He does his work with a rough hand. वह अपने पूरे जोरों पर है। He is in his full swing. He is in his full swing. तुम अभी पूरे जोरों पर नहीं हो। You are not in full swing now. You are not in full swing now. वह धीरे धीरे परंतु लगातार पढ़ता है। He reads slow and steady. He reads slow and steady. उसने मेरी बात पर ध्यान नहीं दिया। He made light of my words. He made light of my words. आपको लड़ाई मोल लेने की जरूरत नहीं है। You need not pick a quarrel. You need not pick a quarrel. तुम्हें अपनी बातों पर डटे रहना चाहिए। You should stick to your words. You should stick to your words. वह अपनी बातों पर डटा नहीं रहता। He does not stick to his words. He does not stick to his words. तुम बात के पक्के हो। You are a man of his words. You are a man of his words. मैं घटिया आदमी से बात नहीं करता। I don't talk to a man of straw. I don't talk to a man of straw. आप तो हर प्रकार से अच्छे हो। You are every bit good one. You are every bit good one. आपको आधार कार्ड रखना जरूरी है। You have to have an आधार कार्ड. You have to have an आधार कार्ड. रिश्तेदार आने वाले हैं। The guests are about to come. The guests are about to come. वो तो हमेशा चिंता करता रहता है। He is always worrying. He is always worrying. वह अपनी बात से मुकर गया। He backed out of his words. He backed out of his words. तुम अपने कर्तव्य से मुकर नहीं सकते। यू कांट बैक आउट फ्रॉम योर ड्यूटी। यू कांट बैक आउट फ्रॉम योर ड्यूटी। वह तुम्हारे बिल्कुल खिलाफ है। ही इज डेड अगेंस्ट टू यू। ही इज डेड अगेंस्ट टू यू। मैं इस काम के बिल्कुल खिलाफ था। आई वॉज डेड अगेंस्ट टू दिस वर्क। आई वॉज डेड अगेंस्ट टू दिस वर्क। यह तो उसका भाईचारा है। दिस इज फेलो फीलिंग एट हिम। दिस इज फेलो फीलिंग एट हिम। तुम में भाईचारा होना चाहिए। यू शुड हैव फेलो फीलिंग। यू शुड हैव फेलो फीलिंग। वह पढ़ाई में पिछड़ गया। He fall behind in his studies. He fall behind in his studies. यह पिछड़ा हुआ इलाका है। This is a fall behind in area. This is a fall behind in area. तुम मुझसे आगे नहीं निकल सकते। You can't get ahead of me. You can't get ahead of me. बाजार में साथ साथ चलना। Go hand in market. Go hand in market. मैं फिर भी वहां जाऊंगा। Even then I will go there. Even then I will go there. मैं फिर भी इंग्लिश सीखूंगा। Even then I will learn English. Even then I will learn English. पहन कर देखो। Try to wear it. Try to wear it. पढ़कर देखो। Try to read it. Try to read it. खाकर देखो। Try to eat it. Try to eat it. जाकर देखो। Try to go there. Try to go there. वह मेरी मुंहबोली बहन है। She is my so-called sister. She is my so-called sister. आप मेरे मुंहबोले भाई हो। You are my so-called brother. You are my so-called brother. वह देखते ही देखते बड़ा हो गया। He grew up in no time. He grew up in no time. तुम जाते जाते क्या बोल रहे थे? While going, what were you saying? While going, what were you saying? तुम देखते देखते क्या सोच रहे थे? While watching, what were you thinking? While watching, what were you thinking? मैंने ऐसा ही किया था। That's how I did. That's how I did. तुमने ऐसा ही बोला था। That's how you told. That's how you told. कभी तो नहा लिया करो। Do ever take a bath. Do ever take a bath. कभी तो अक्ल का इस्तेमाल करो। Do ever use your brain. Do ever use your brain. ऐसा कोई काम नहीं जो मैं नहीं कर सकता। There is nothing I can't do. There is nothing I can't do. यह मुझे तो एक दिन देखना ही था। It was bound to happen one day. It was bound to happen one day. यहाँ बस लोग ही लोग थे। There was nothing but people. There was nothing but people. घर का क्या? What about house? What about house? उसका क्या? What about her? What about her? मेरे पैसों का क्या? What about my money? What about my money? वहां जाना कैसा रहेगा? How about going there? How about going there? एक एक करके आओ। Come one by one. Come one by one. एक एक करके बोलो। Speak one by one. Speak one by one. तुम्हें कुछ हटकर करना पड़ेगा। You will have to do something out of the box. You will have to do something out of the box. वो सब तो ठीक है। That's all right. That's all right. मैं नहीं जाऊंगी। I will not go. I will not go. मैं नहीं गया। I didn't go. I didn't go. तुम ये ले लो। You take it. You take it. मैं अब और नहीं खा सकता। I can't eat anymore. I can't eat anymore. मैं अब और नहीं भाग सकता। I can't run anymore. I can't run anymore. खाना खाते ही सो जाना। Do sleep as soon as you eat food. Do sleep as soon as you eat food. मुझे वो सोते हुए मिला। I found him sleeping. I found him sleeping. मुझे यह रास्ते में पड़ा हुआ मिला। I found it lying outside. I found it lying outside. कभी न कभी तो सच सामने आ ही जाएगा। Sooner or later the truth will come out. Sooner or later the truth will come out. मैंने वहां जाने का मन बना लिया है। I have made up my mind to go there. I have made up my mind to go there. उसने तुमसे मिलने का मन बना लिया है। He has made up his mind to meet you. He has made up his mind to meet you. उसकी प्रतीक्षा दूर दूर तक प्रसिद्ध है। His talent is famous far and wide. His talent is famous far and wide. यह खबर दूर दूर तक फैल गई। This news spread far and wide. This news spread far and wide. यह सेवा दूर दूर तक उपलब्ध है। This service is available far and wide. This service is available far and wide. मैं देर हो गया ऊपर से रास्ता भूल गया। I'm late on the top of that I'm lost. I'm late on the top of that I'm lost. वह दुखी है ऊपर से रो रही है। She is upset on the top of that she is crying. She is upset on the top of that. मैं जल्दी से तैयार हो जाऊंगा। I will be ready in no time. I will be ready in no time. वे जल्दी से पहुंच जाएंगे। They will arrive in no time. They will arrive in no time. मैंने भाषा जल्दी से सीख ली। I learned the language in no time. I learned the language in no time. हम जल्दी से काम पूरा कर लेंगे। We will finish the work in no time. We will finish the work in no time. वह जल्दी से तैयार हो गई। She got ready in no time. She got ready in no time. इस तस्वीर को देखो। Look at this picture. Look at this picture. किसी भी गलती के लिए सावधान रहे। Look out for any mistakes. Look out for any mistakes. अपने बच्चों का ध्यान रखें। Look after your children. Look after your children. मैं समझता हूँ कि तुम क्या कहना चाहते हो। I see what you mean. I see what you mean. तुम एक के बाद एक गलती कर रहे हो। You are making mistakes one after another. You are making mistakes one after another. मैंने एक के बाद एक 3 चाय पी। I had 3 cups of tea one after another. I had 3 cups of tea one after another. मैंने एक के बाद एक कई मूवी देखी। I watched several movies one after another. I watched several movies one after another. एक के बाद एक सभी दोस्त आए। All friends came one after another. All friends came one after another. मैंने एक के बाद एक 2 पुस्तकें पढ़ी। I read 2 books one after another. I read 2 books one after another. मैंने एक के बाद एक कई शहर देखे। I visited several cities one after another. I visited several cities one after another. मैंने एक के बाद एक 3 फोन किए। I called 3 times one after another. I called 3 times one after another.